मुझे लगता है आज के दौर में इंग्लिश क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैं आप सबको बताना चाहूँगा कि गाइस व्हाई इंग्लिश इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी, व्हाट लर्निंग्स मीन्स टू मी स्पेशली इवन इफ आई विल think about English language so several time when I teach English in my classes. So that time I always say with my students, like I give up hearings over and over how important learnings is like I used to have good marks at schools but even less free times. As time go on, my achievements at schools becomes even more important and more important because to be admitted to universities is only possible through good scholastic and records. I think that as teachers um, we learn more and more English and we also get expertise when we speak English language. Our parents or other people will also attract when we speak well sentences in English language. Okay, and it takes time to understand that being well educated and qualified is important for us. When we think that how I remember at the beginnings of the university studies, almost all of us thought that after 6, 10 or 12 some semester we can say goodbye to learning. It's true that graduating or rather achieving a doctorate means that we can forget the exams and the easy but not learnings at all. Learnings as activity, as a way of knowing and understandings is permanent. It should be a kind of daily routines which is for life at schools. I used to have a different subject is when we talk about especially like guys when foreign language when we choose and such as like German and Latin, Italic. I remember that we always had the most fun at the language lesson. The atmosphere of language class is different from anything else. Very it will be technologics and reading language, we just say that, and humorous, especially even we talk about the last decades, then we just say that when we know English so we can understand easily technology, and we also say that thanks technology there are even more ways and methods of language teachings. For examples through online lessons. In addition, thanks to politics, it becomes even easier and common to look for a language second abroad. Nowadays language scholars are quite popular, so they usually offer a wide selections of foreign language with English in the focus. When we talk about guys, then English is the language of our international communication in all areas such as politics, science, media or arts, and it is often the language of entire like entertainments as well as the socialistic and having a good commands of English help us to have more opportunities in life first of all our career. Okay, and when we talk about that guys, we are also like to have a more chance of finding a good job or to good business of the ground. Even if I'll talk about the athletics when we talk when migration companies, some of our TCL spoken English students have arrived Canada's and Australia's. They were making plans to do jobs, and that's why they applied for the PR after learning the English languages. Even they just don't know how to learn and how to speak English language. According to me, they unable to speak well sentences, so they also can't go foreign countries guys, because it gives you grab of opportunities that you joins well places and you can create well image and you do some better in your careers after learning the English language. So especially when we talk our TCL spoken English always help those who people who is interested to learn the English languages. And also I'm just going to tell that this English journey is so nice guys, you know that I'm just telling you. मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि जब से मैंने इंग्लिश पढ़ाना शुरू किया है, when I taught English first day till then still I'm feeling so relaxed in my life. And guys, you know that इस फील्ड में मैं ये नहीं कहता कि हाउ आई अर्न मनी, बट इतना कहता हूँ कि जब स्टूडेंट्स अपने करियर में सक्सेस पाते हैं ना, जब एक बंदा 10वीं 12वीं पढ़ के भी अच्छे पोस्ट में इंग्लिश की ही वजह से अगर पहुंचता है तो आके बोलता है थैंक्स सर, आपकी वजह से हम आज यहाँ पर हैं। गाइस, इट्स दैट किक विच I can motivate, and also I always motivate by this type of situations when create my many students is learning and getting successful after learn the TCL spoken English. Our English classes has divided as a three kinds guys, even those who is not educated. बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिन लोग ज़्यादा पढ़े नहीं होते हैं, उनको भी हम बेसिक से सिखाते हैं। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट प्रोफेशनल होते हैं जो बिजनेसमैन है, उसको उस लेवल पे कैप्सूल क्लासेस या एडवांस क्लासेस की क्लासेस में हम लोग बैठाते हैं और उसका इंग्लिश को बिल्डअप कराते हैं। डियर ऑल स्टूडेंट, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आई थिंक दिस वीडियो इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, वाई वी शुड लर्न। आज के दौर में इंग्लिश तो हर जगह आवश्यक है। मालूम अगर हम किसी भी फील्ड में अगर फॉर्म डालते हैं, व्हेन वी अप्लाई समवेयर द फॉर्म्स एटसेट्रा, सो there we need to read English sentences when we search in Google. So especially Google understand English and they give us easily to our all answer. And we also apply, guys, you know that आप अगर एयरपोर्ट जाते हो वहाँ इंग्लिश में अनाउंस हो रही होती है, आप कोई भी डिमांड ड्राफ्ट बनाते हो फॉर्म इंग्लिश में होती है, बहुत सारे ऐसे जगह है जैसे कि बैंकिंग सेक्टर, फाइनेंस सेक्टर, टीचिंग सेक्टर, एजुकेशन सेक्टर एंड many data entry sector, like guys act sector, administrative sector. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दैट कि ऐसा कोई भी बड़ा प्रोफेशनल लेवल नहीं है जहाँ इंग्लिश यूज़ नहीं होता है। अगर आपकी सपना भी बड़े लेवल पे है तो मैं उम्मीद दिलाता हूँ आप सबको, हमसे जुड़िए। TCL स्पोकन इंग्लिश, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट इंग्लिश को अपना इंप्रूवमेंट कर रहे हैं और अपना समाज में एक बहुत ही सुंदर ओहदा बना रहे हैं। ज्वाइन अस एवरीबॉडी TCL स्पोकन इंग्लिश।